are going to make some Thai chicken with red curry. Look at all these beautiful ingredients. Here are some of our veggies, but then of course some ginger, garlic, a little bit of lime juice, hot pepper flakes, and here is the red curry. Over here instead, we're going to use some Thai basil leaves, some fish sauce, peanut butter. Over here are jasmine rice, and then coconut milk and chicken. You can also make it vegetarian and not do it with the chicken. And then here, some peanut butter and a little bit of brown sugar. Let's just go ahead and start cutting the vegetables. We're gonna begin with the zucchini. Just cut the ends off. And then I think I'm gonna cut them into chunks like this. And we're gonna make them into small sections, as even as possible. Just like this. And now the carrots. So the other day, Sarah came over and said, "Mom, I'm fixing you supper." And she made this dish for me. So you usually don't see her cooking because she's videotaping, but she is an amazing cook. So now we're gonna get to the carrots and slice those as well. We chose to get some different colored carrots. So we're gonna do the same thing with the carrots and cut them into sections that are quite even with the zucchini as well. The carrots will take just a little bit longer. But look at these gorgeous colors. I just am amazed at the colors. Let's get some of these snow peas over here. And even these, we will just kind of slice them diagonally like this. We already took the stems off the green beans, and we're also going to be cutting them a little bit on the diagonal side. So good. Usually we'll make Mediterranean food, but this time we're attempting to make something different. Now we have these green onions, and we're just going to start slicing them. They're going to be mainly for garnish, so we're going to make them kind of nice and fine. As you can see, we did the white part of the onion, but also the green part. And this will be beautiful for the garnish. Now we're gonna start with the peppers. Look at these beautiful colors here. So we're just gonna cut the tops off, open them up, get the seeds out, and even these, we're gonna cut into strips just like this. Fire once again going below as the cooking surface on top is heating up and also heating the skillet. First of all, we're gonna put the oil in the pan, and I guess we'll make it a little bit Mediterranean because we're using olive oil. Put the garlic in and the ginger. Maybe I need to add a tad more ginger to it. We're gonna saute this just a bit until it sizzles nicely. To this, we're gonna add the paste, the red curry paste. And again, we're gonna stir this up until everything is well mixed, and then the oil almost comes to the surface. You can see how the oil is starting to kind of separate. Now to this, we're going to add the peanut butter. We're gonna add and that would have been the fish sauce. And now to all this, we're gonna add the coconut milk. Ooh, look at this. Look at these colors. Now some of the basil leaves, it's Thai basil, a little bit of this brown sugar, and we'll give it a quick stir. As soon as it comes to a boil, we will add the chicken. You probably have noticed that we haven't added any salt, but we are going to wait to do that because the red curry paste already is salty, and we definitely don't want to oversalt it. As you can see, it is starting to boil, and we can put our chicken in there. Let's see. And this will only have to cook about 15 minutes, and that's it. There. The chicken is done. We're gonna put some of these peanuts in here and then serve some when it's plated. Since we have a lot of veggies, we're gonna use 2 pans, and this is so fun about this oven because you can put them right side by side and there is enough space. And now in one of them, we're going to put these red peppers. Red and yellow peppers. And in the other one, we'll put the carrots. To the peppers, we'll add the snow peas and give them a quick toss as well. Can you believe these colors? Just beautiful. Now, we don't want these to be very heavily cooked. We still want them to have a little crunch to them. Since the carrots are a whole lot harder, I added a splash of water to them just to kind of give them somewhat of a steam. And then to this, we'll add the green beans, and then to the peppers, we'll also add the zucchini. These don't take very long. And we're gonna let them jump in the pan as well. The green beans are also going in. We'll give it a quick toss. We're going to add some salt to the veggies, even over here. And as soon as they're done, we're going to add them to the red curry chicken. And now it's time to put our veggies in. So here we go. Here are the zucchini, the snow peas, and the peppers. And next we will put the carrots and the green beans in. We'll keep a few for the plating. And now everything is married together, and it will be one delicious lunch. As a matter of fact, we've already put the rice on, so everything will be ready all together. The rice has already been plated. And now we're gonna get our curry chicken and all the beautiful veggies and place it right on top with some of this wonderful sauce. Oh, the aroma coming out of here is so good. And now we're gonna put some of these green onions on top. And we also have a few little peppers. And then we're gonna serve it right here with a wedge of lime. Finally, we're gonna sprinkle some more peanuts on the very top. And our dish is ready. I'm gonna have to test it and taste it, and I think it's going to be absolutely delicious. Let me get a piece of chicken as well. Well, there it is. Look at this. Yum. Buon appetito.